Welcome to another Gulfstream Intelligence tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate the Health Authority simulation function using our fictitious AA77 Migraine Program for a pre-IND meeting. We begin by navigating to the Health Authority Simulation tab. From here, we can select New Simulation. This is where you can define your scenario and context, set your parameters, add supporting files, and select your information sources. As you can see, you have the option to create either a standalone simulation or a project-based simulation. For this demonstration, we will continue with a project-based simulation using our fictitious AA77 Migraine project. Next, we navigate to the Simulation Purpose section, where we will request the generation of likely health authority questions. We will now add our project supplementary input. Here you can upload a file, manually enter questions, or provide a customer scenario. In this example, we will upload a file. Once the file has been uploaded, we will select Generate Authority Questions. After the simulation is complete, you can review the generated questions, feedback summary, meeting brief, and response guidance. As you scroll further down, a comprehensive summary will be generated, highlighting key concerns, potential follow-up questions, and recommended actions. This allows your team to better prepare for health authority interactions and identify potential gaps before entering an official meeting. Gulfstream Intelligence in motion.